I have it under control. That's according to Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton, who was responding to a revelation by the Nurses of Association President Carmen Johnson about the exodus of local nurses. TVJ's Shamela Pullen explains.
Within the last 9 months, some 240 nurses have left the island seeking a better life in other countries. While making the disclosure on Friday, President of the Nurses Association of Jamaica, Carmen Johnson, says this is a big hit to the local public health sector, which employs just over 3,000 nurses. But Health Minister Dr. Christopher Tufton says while the government is concerned, he doesn't foresee any fallout in the delivery of healthcare through the migration of specialist nurses.
Where we have gaps, and those gaps can't be filled by training, we recruit and bring people in from overseas. As you know, we have a very active program with Cuba. So we have over nearly 300 nurses from Cuba in Jamaica. And we also have other countries from time to time that we recruit from to bring in to fill the gap.
Dr. Tufton also reiterated measures being implemented by the government to combat the massive migration of nurses.
So in the coming year, you will see more RNs, registered nurses, being trained because of scheduling adjustment, which allows batches to be taken in within a calendar year at different times. And then we have also increased the specialist training through bilateral arrangements. We have nurses right now in China doing clinical rotation for critical care.
In addition, the health minister also said that by year end into the new year, the country will see more nurses doing clinical rotation at Leeds Teaching Hospital in England.
Now, this is a result of the last year working to have bilateral arrangements, because part of the challenge with training more nurses is that we don't have the clinical space to give them the level of experience that is required, having done the classroom work. So the government is very sensitive to the challenge, and we have actually taken some steps to increase the cadre that we train, both at the RN level, but also, very importantly, at the advanced nurses training level.
Shamela Pullen, TVJ News.